This is the third question from our NCERT ray optics portion. It's given a tank is filled with water to a height of 12.5 centimeter. The apparent depth of a needle lying at the bottom of a tank is measured by a microscope to be 9.4 centimeter. We have a tank of a real depth 12.5 centimeter, and there is a needle lying at the bottom. It is found to be at an apparent depth of 9.4. Here it is seen to be here. So this depth is 9.4 centimeter apparent depth. Now it is asked what is the refractive index of water. So it is simple. Real depth is given, apparent depth is given. We are asked for refractive index, and we are familiar with this formula. N is RD by AD. Real depth by apparent depth. So substitute the values, 12.5 by 9.4, we get 1.33 to be the refractive index of water. Now the second question is, if water is replaced by a liquid of refractive index 1.63 up to the same height, then by what distance the microscope have to be moved to focus on the needle again? So initially when the needle seemed to be here, the microscope would have been focused here. Now how much distance it has to be moved? That is asked. So we have to find out the apparent depth with the new liquid. Formula is RD by N. Now substitute the values, 12.5 by 1.63, we get 7.67. So the apparent depth is, now the needle seems to lie here with an apparent depth of 7.67 centimeter. So how much the microscope have to be shifted? That's the question. So initially it was at 9.4, now it is at 7.67. So it has to be shifted by 1.73 centimeters towards the top. So somewhere here the microscope have to be placed. So this is the answer, 1.73 centimeter. Thank you.